Are you a triggered little snowflake? Did your parents not give you enough attention? Are you governed by your emotions? Are you a bastion of progressivism? Are you a vindictive little cunt? If so, willkommen, mein Freund! Join the SS Gestapo today and help machen the video YouTube grow. Subterfuge is the primary tool of any good Gestapo agent and will be key in quelling any dissent and especially controlling the narrative. The first step is to create a false sense of security through the guise of unfettered altruism. Channel all of your social anxiety and crippling insecurities into a singular focused energy and use it to gain the enemy's trust by captioning the videos, adding subtitles and clearing out the comment section of all copy-paste or ambi jokes, sub for subs and general negative comments. By captioning and adding subtitles to the enemy videos, it will allow the YouTube machine to automatically remove videos that contain hate speech, naughty words and anything else that does not comply with the terms of service. Make sure to work steadfast with other Gestapo agents for a fast and effective blitzkrieg. Once the enemy has gained a reasonable level of certitude, it's time to move on to the second stage. Once you firmly establish yourself behind enemy lines and familiarise yourself with the platform's more popular defilers and villains, it's time to engage them from the cover of darkness. You will now join the ranks of the infamous Schattenkrieger. The Schattenkrieger move with quick precision, targeting some of the more high-profile content creators, using our purposefully ambiguous terms of service to report any offending videos that oppose the growing PC culture. You will disorientate and distract the enemy, leaving them temporarily financially vulnerable by cutting off some of their sources of revenue. With the enemy now completely distracted, scrambling around, putting out fires, it's time to move on to the third and final step. Your valiant and noble efforts to further the great PCification of YouTube has not gone unnoticed by the Führer. You will now join the most elite ranks of the notorious Massenflaggenläufer, or as they've been nicknamed by the enemy, the Flaggers. You are the most deadly frontline warrior, decorated and bold. You are the Ubermensch, and your goal is simple: assassinate the enemy. To aid you in your campaign, you will have access to one of the most powerful weapons created by the brightest minds of Google Central, Die Flaggernata. With this mighty specimen of Google ingenuity and craftsmanship, you will be a relentless, merciless, one-man flag machine. You, noble warrior, will bring about the destruction of any wretched foe who dares utter profanity, who dares blaspheme against the mighty Google empire, who dares talk about controversial subjects, who dares even breathe in a way that does not conform to our progressive worldview, and we will be victorious! So pick up your keyboard and blanket, enjoy the YouTube heroes today, and let's make the world a more safe space.